Hey there, YouTubers. I'm back again. This is something new I printed. Let's go. Hey, let's go this way. Okay, there we go. Okay, you may be wondering, what the heck is that? Well, it's a new little tool for working on anything that needs to be hand drilled. Okay, so you get a little drill, right? And you can open this up, put the drill bit in. Sure you don't get the. Okay, tighten it up. You can hand drill whatever you want. Okay, obviously it's meant for small things. So this thing is printed in what, 4 parts? There's the cap, it comes off, right? Gotta be careful. Okay, this little thing. Okay, has threads on the inside, large threads. Okay, and then it has these little teeth, individual teeth. There's 3 of them. Okay, sorry. It's hard to get the left, right. There, going. Okay, and they slot in. They've got little slots here. There's 3 of them that slot in. Okay, if I let it go, it'll fall out. Okay. They only go in one way. And then there's obviously the handle itself. And there's the handle itself. Okay. Besides the fact that this was a useful tool, I had the other thing that they call it is a pin drill. Pin drill? Pinwheel drill? I think it's called pin drill. But they're much smaller than this. This is actually a little bit bigger than the other one. The other one's very small. Probably a small, like a short stub pencil. But the other part of making this was that I actually used 2 different brands of resin. So I don't know if the camera can catch this. Let's see. Okay. But maybe it can, maybe it can't. But you might notice that this part is lighter than this part up here. Okay. In the middle of the print, I wasn't sure if I had enough resin. So I thought, man, I'm gonna try an experiment. It doesn't really matter if it fails or not, because I figured I could just stop the print and restart. And so, but anyway, so I stopped it right at that spot. The only thing, so it seems to have worked really well. The only thing you can always there's obviously a line here, but there was also a little small gap in there. So other than that, I thought it was a pretty successful at using 2 different resins for. Oops, hold it this way. This way. Okay. 2 different resins and midway. So I made sure they were thoroughly mixed. So you'll be seeing that coming up in the video. Actually, I took a bunch of still shots so that you guys can see how it came about.
So here we have monoprice gray on the left and elegoo gray on the right. Elegoo is the light colored resin and the monoprice is the darker resin. I poured it in and gave it a swirl. Now here it is mixed together fairly well. I think I probably should have mixed it a lot more. And here we have the models straight after printing. As you can see, they're still wet. The gap is seen in this shot here, but since it was very wet, it wasn't as noticeable. Taking them off was fairly easy.